You know the funny thing about small talk? Most people treat it like the opening band at a concert, something you suffer through to get to the main act. Deep conversations, real connections. That's what we all want, right? But if you leave your phone for 2 minutes and actually look around, you'd realize every single relationship starts with small talk. Even your best friend probably started with a cringe, "What classes are you taking?" or some equally awkward nonsense. Now, here's an unpopular take. Small talk isn't really about what you say. For the most part, it's about making the other person feel like a human, not a background character in your open-world RPG. And no, you don't need a script, or charm, or charisma. You just need to master one simple skill. Active observation. Okay, I get it, that sounds like something a nerdy detective would say, but stick with me, because this is actually game-changing. Active observation means paying attention to the person in front of you like they're the only thing that exists in that moment. Not their aura, not their vibe, just actual, tangible details. Their hoodie, their coffee order, the way they keep glancing at the clock like they're being held hostage by social obligations. You notice those things. Then you comment, gently, casually, in a way that invites, not demands, a response. Let me give you a few examples. You're at a coffee shop. The person next to you is holding a beat-up book. Most people would go, "What are you reading?" But that's pressure. That's asking them to explain and justify. Instead, you say, "That book looks like it's been through some things." Boom. Instant connection. You're not interrogating, you're just noticing. Or at a party, introvert's nightmare, you see someone walk by with a plate of mysterious food. You could ignore them, or you could say, "Is that the chicken? It looks like it fought back." You're not being weird, you're being observant, funny, relatable, human, and the best part, it takes the focus off you. You don't have to be impressive. You just have to be present. Here's the magic behind why this works. People love to feel seen. Not in the deep, poetic, "you see my soul" way, just in a simple, "hey, I noticed you exist" way. It's disarming. You're not putting pressure on them to perform. You're just tossing a conversational ball and seeing if they throw it back. Try this at a Halloween party. Someone's wearing a tie with tiny rubber ducks. Don't say, "Cool tie." Say, "Okay, I need to know the story behind the ducks." That's a moment. That's a conversation. And one more thing. You've got to mean it. If you're faking interest, people will smell it a mile away. But if you genuinely want to connect, even for just 5 minutes, it changes everything. So next time you're in line at a coffee shop, or stuck at a networking event, or waiting awkwardly in a lobby, look up. Notice something. Say something. Because small talk isn't shallow. It's just the first layer. And once you master active observation, small talk becomes a little game, a fun one. Now that you know how to talk to anyone, wanna know how to learn anything 10x faster? Then you're gonna want to check out my last video. Trust me, it'll change the game.